Welcome to FocusKPI's ROI tool. In this video, we'll guide you through the basic steps using its interface to maximize return on investment for marketing channels. Using the provided username and password, the login will take you to the first page where users will need to define the scope of the optimization. Select the dataset for your brand. Enter the total spend budget. Next, enter the year followed by the month and choose how many months you would like to plan. Finally, select a revenue attribution type. Click the Initialize button, and the next section of this page will populate with spend constraints. Upper and lower spend limits will be selected based on historical data and total spend budget. Users can set new bound limits by manually entering them in the fields for each marketing channel. Just keep in mind that spend amounts must not overstep upper and lower bound limits, and that maximum spend must be greater than or equal to minimum spend. For fixed channel spends, enter the same number under min and max. Notice that every channel has a default scaling factor of 1. Changing these values impacts the cost structure of the channel. Higher values corresponds to lower costs per click. When you're ready, click the Run button. A message will appear indicating that the tool is running. The recommended spend mix will be displayed in the shaded region of the page. It includes channel spend recommendations, followed by projected revenues and return on investment. On the right side, users can change the spend plan by adjusting the sliders and then clicking on the Rerun button. If you change your mind along the way, the Reset button will move all sliders to the original positions. To save your results, the Export button will generate a CSV file with a summary table. If you want to start over and set new constraints, click the Back button. Flexibly plan spending budgets on a quarterly or monthly basis and compare optimized plan with original marketing plan. Apply and test incremental investments. Understand where additional spending is allocated with highest effectiveness. Discover opportunities from historical data. Find where spending could have been improved and guide long-term marketing strategies.